Welcome back to another CSS battles. This is battle number 53, Pastel logo. Now, breaking down the image, there's two possible ways I think I could do this. The first one is to use a color blend mode. It's not something I'm great at, so I may go with the second option, but with the color blend mode, I would just have an element having the circle, another one having the rectangle. I'll try the color blend mode, but it may not make it into the video. The second method that I probably will go with is to have three different elements: the circle, the quarter of the circle, and then the rectangle. And they would just all be different colors. There would have to probably be some sort of overflow hidden on the circle to make sure that works fine. And the rectangle would go at the back, so Z index there. So let's start this with the I tag. I'm going to try the overflow one first, and I'll go with a pseudo element. So if you're using a pseudo element, you need the closing tag. Simple enough. Style the body, make it center, add the background color. Okay, that will be an I tag. Let's do margin 0, make sure it is fine, and padding 0, yeah. Oh, still quite off. Increase it to, doesn't look like it's that much bigger, 150. It needs to be, top if I could hit 150. Border radius circle, so 50%. It is off for some reason. That is weird. So let me just change the background color, position relative, and then do top. -25. Looking good. Okay, so I got the circle done already. Try doing it with the pseudo elements. I'm just putting in some random heights and widths, which I think should be approximately right. 75 pixels. I really cannot type this morning. What is going on with me? 5 pixels, that's not right. 50 pixels. So let's just put the diff on top. Go with 100 pixels. Too much. Too much. 75 pixels. This is just a guessing game, isn't it? So top is fine. It's just the height. 125. Yeah, not looking too bad. So then what I was thinking was, what was it? Mix blend mode, I think is the name. Overlay. See, to me, that looks pretty damn perfect, I'll be honest. Let's submit it. That's a really low score. What? So that is pretty much identical. And it's saying it's not. So I'm not going to go with the mixed blend mode. I'm going to go with a third element. I'm going to make some changes though. So the I after tag will become the quarter of the circle. And I'll make sure the overflow of the main I tag is hidden. Then I'll add another element which goes after the I tag, and that will have a Z index of -2, for example. So it's behind it, pretty much keeping the same styling as this. So I'll go with L, just random letters now. This can pretty much be L, I think. I might have to change the positioning. Overflow hidden. Change the color to this one. So that's the I tag done, I would say. Now it is just a case of getting L working properly. So the background needs to be that yellow. Z index, put that as -2. The top left is a bit weird, isn't it? So left, say that's 50 pixels, not enough. 120, is it 125 again? It's not bad. Top needs to go down some more. Pixels, 125 pixels. Oh, ooh, a bit off there actually. It's also because I put 123. 125, yeah, it looks decent. Maybe slightly off. Let's submit that, see what the... Okay, 604, pretty good. 100% match now. It is just a case of tidying up. So just remove some of the spaces. This isn't a necessary part. This is just to improve the score slightly. So 614 with removing all the white spaces. Obviously, I'm not a big fan of actually doing that, but it does help the score. I'm also not a fan of using these random tags. I tags are fine, but L, what does L really mean? So I'd rather be a bit more descriptive. But for things like CSSBattle, I think it's okay. 614, not too bad. Don't know if there's that much I could probably improve on. Yeah, quite happy with that. That is the end of battle number 53. This one was fairly straightforward. A little bit annoyed that the blend mode wasn't working correctly. I don't know if that's just because of how they're doing the tests. I'm not sure. Let me know how you got on with this. Did you do anything different? Comment down below. Go check out this next video that's appearing on your screens now. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe. Hope you all have a nice day, and I'll catch you later.